Morning. I'm sorry, I forgot to send you this follow-up video. So I want to show you, and hopefully it's very clear. And FYI, you can always, if you have any issues, and because I'm not always on my computer, so you can send me a text to the phone number that you have, and I can make sure I'm addressing anything. So what I mean is that if you go to the assignments tab, which you moved the assignments over to, they all show published right here, which is great. But they originate in the modules tab. So when you pull the assignments over, essentially, the modules is kind of the gatekeeper for Cengage stuff into Canvas. So down here, earlier, like when we have the issue last week, here are your assignments. And as long as this green check mark is here, which if you pull them in now, it looks like it's here. But for instance, it looks like this one here, these are not published here. So you just have to make sure that they're published here as well so that students can see them. Oh, there it is. It's published right there. So that's essentially all. So you just, again, assignments tab, I see you've moved them over here, which is all great and everything looks good. Just go to the modules tab and make sure that it's also published here, and it'll fall, and it should be, because I published this here, and that's that top piece, and so everything below it should be publishing. So if it comes into this first, it should publish with no issue. That's essentially it. So you just want to make sure that it's in both those places, and then students will see it. And another thing you can always double check is if you go to the home tab here, go to the student view, and let's see, if I go to my assignments tab here, those will always show for you, but you can practice and see if it's published by clicking into it. If it says load here, if you click in and you don't get the message, or you get another message saying that it's not published, that's another way that you'll know. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm kind of in and off my computer all weekend, but if something comes up, please send me a text and I can make sure I address something that comes in via email. Have a great weekend.